we need the blog list in this page, right? So let us first go and create a block controller. Make controller okay. Now this is our block controller. Let me go to web.p web routes, and in this page I can create public routes route get slash import my block controller, then comma, let us put it list blog, sorry, name blog dot list. Any doubt? So over here we have slash, we have to remove it, and now slash will point it over here. If I refresh, I get an internal server error because this method doesn't exist. So what we have to do, we have to go over here and create the method public function list, okay? And then what we have to do, we have to return a view. So for that, we need to go and create a view and resource view folder. I will create a new folder called blocks. Then I'll create a new file list.blade.php. Any doubt so far? I have to write return view blocks, sorry, blocks.list, reload blank. Why? Because our blocks slash list page is empty. h1 working from blog list. So far, any doubt? So we created a controller, we created a migration, we created the table. Now we have a view file placed and a controller who is redirecting our home page to this blade file. So far it's clear. Okay. Now let us create a basic structure. I will not jump into the designs. So let us just create a basic structure blog list. Now let us create a block div with p tag strong blog title. I'm not going for the image part, I'm just showing title, short description and description with created date. Okay, so p description, short description, okay, and then created. Any doubt so far? We'll put a any doubt? And we will repeat this for the blogs. Now let us fetch the value from the model and send the values from controller to this view, and try to repeat the this particular code snippet to show the blog. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.